Hi, my name is Smith, and I hope that everything is going well. Today I want to show you how I installed the Raspberry Pi operating system into the Raspberry Pi device. So first, let me show how the device is composed, and after how you download that on the memory card to be used in the device. So let's start.
Well, for the installation, first you need a computer with any operating system. In my case, I am using Windows 10. So also you need, of course, the Raspberry Pi. This is mine. This is the version 3. This is Raspberry Pi version model B. This is from 2015. That's very simply, it's considered actually is old because the new version is version 4. Or you need this card. Let me focus very well here. This is for 16 gigabytes micro SD memory card. This memory card will be inserted here in the Raspberry Pi over here. So great, the operating system will be recorded, will be saved here, and this is all the core of the memory from the Raspberry operating system. And you need this or any other device in order that you can connect your micro SD memory into the computer. You can use any USB pen, USB pen driver or something like that in order to connect. I am using this SD memory card where it's an adapter from micro SD to SD memory. I'm using my port here. That's my port is from SD memory. And that's basically that's things that you need on the hardware side. Let me show you the software side.
The following steps consist on download the Raspberry image on the micro SD card. So first, in my case, I am using Windows 10, so I have some driver problems. So I have to update my laptop with the drivers here. So just verify before you have to verify before that you don't have any problem in order to connect this. Let me see if it connected it's connected well. So I have my two disc. Let me connect the disc in my SD port. It will be appears right now. Great. I'm here and it's empty. Okay, then let me find the web page of the Raspberry Pi. Is the web page, go to the download. Obviously you have more information there you can explore further if you want. So the Raspberry Pi OS is previously called Raspbian. This is the name that is found a lot of information on the internet. Actually you have find more information about that. And mainly of the goal of this video is just to know how I install this on my Windows 10. So you can use this called an image for the operating system, and you can copy that on the card. But I prefer to use this that is a tool just for Windows. It's a very lightweight tools that okay, great. This tool allows me to installation very fast. Just run this. Run. Oh, okay. Did it happened before, but it's just in my machine. Don't worry. It's just my machine because I update some drivers, so it's window. Sorry, not sorry. So here you can select the operating system installed. You have several versions. Actually, if you have used microSD with some information, you can erase first in order to install this. Let me select this version and choose where is my SD card and just write. This process takes some few minutes, like I don't know, less than 10 minutes maybe, but more than 5 minutes. So just wait for it and be patient. So remember that it's just a tool for that, and you can use any of those tools according to your operating systems. So you can explore here to know more information about different third vendor party options for the Raspberry Pi. So meanwhile, just wait. Okay, after 6 minutes approximately, so that is already copied that and told me that I can remove my SD card from the port. So very nice. So right now the next step is just to test this.
Okay, next step then is connect this to the some output device. I don't have an extra monitor, so I connect it to my TV. So first is extract the SD memory from here and put it on the Raspberry. Put it there. That's very great. So after connect some power adapter. So I am using this. I know that the new Raspberry Pi 4 have USB-C, but this is the classic one. So connect this here. Great. So I connected this my TV with my HDMI cable. So I plug in under here. So you need some external device to the input for your operating system. So I have some extra device using a Bluetooth, using my keyboard and my mouse. So I use like the port. Actually, you can connect here on USB class 1, or you can connect this by internet. Actually, I am using my Wi-Fi, but you have an Ethernet port to connect. You can use the Wi-Fi or whatever you want to get in your internet. So I plug it in and just watch the output. This is the logo of the Raspberry and is set resizing root file system rebooting in 5 seconds. Just wait. If your output device shows this output, thus everything is okay, it's just, oh, that's the starting starting screen, the welcome to the Raspberry Pi desktop OS operating system. So you have to wait. The first time is waiting to configure. You can see here there is the power connector is doing the job. Actually, this Raspberry has some cooler device here just to reduce the temperature from my CPU over here. So the new version, that's very recommended, at least for me, recommended to get some of these devices. So I'm still waiting. That's it. That's very nice. It should be worked here. Okay. Now we are in on the Raspberry Pi desktop, and you can read the instruction here or everything you want to know here. Well, you configure your keyboard, but in this is the end, and you have all the application that is installed here. Just anything, explore, enjoy, and well, do all the things that you usually you do in YouTube, like subscribe, like, comment on wherever you want, and all the time. I hope that this can help to anyone else. Bye.